Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. For you who do know about me, my name is Muhammad Farhaji. I'm student in English Language Education Study Program of Lamangkurat University. In this opportunity, I'm gonna show you how do I use comic strips in teaching writing, recount text for a grade student of junior high school. Okay, let's begin. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello student, good morning. How are you today? Are you fine? Okay. Let's begin our lesson today by Basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, student. Today we are going to discuss about new material in writing. But before we are going to discuss about new material, I want to read my writing. Is my experience actually, so just listen. Oke, sekarang saya akan membacakan recount text yang sudah saya buat. Oke, judulnya adalah Wonderful Waterfall. Last month, before the corona outbreak, one morning I and my friends went to waterfall in Playhari to take videos for our YouTube channel. We used my friend's car to go there. In the middle of the trip, we had a meal together. After that, we continued the journey and arrived at the destination. Actually, it was difficult to go to the waterfall because it had to go through a route difficult to pass by ordinary vehicle, but it all paid off because the waterfall was wonderful. After making the video, it tempted us to play water together and take pictures under the waterfall. After that, we went home. On the way home, we shared stories of jokes, and until it was not built, we arrived in the Banjarmasin at 11 p.m. So, what do you think about this story? Ini adalah pengalaman saya. This is my experience that I have written. Karena kita belajar tentang writing, jadi di dalam bahasa Inggris ini dinamakan recount text. So today we'll learn about writing recount text. Okay, first we start from the definition. What is recount text? Anyone knows about it? Mungkin kalian sudah tahu apa itu sebenarnya recount text. Seperti yang telah dari teks yang telah saya bacakan tadi, yang tentang pengalaman saya. Mungkin kalian sudah tahu itu recount text ya, kayak mungkin kalian ada sedikit gambaran lah. Tetapi after this I will show you some videos about recount text. I hope you will understand more about what is recount text. Oke, kita lihat sama-sama ya videonya. Jadi kita lihat apa sih recount text itu sebenarnya. Kita mulai dari mungkin social functionnya dulu, atau purpose, tujuannya apa ya. Tujuannya pasti ya untuk menceritakan kembali ya. Jadi lihat, to retell past events or experience of the writer or another. Jadi menceritakan kembali past event, pengalaman pribadi bisa, atau pengalaman orang lain juga bisa. Adapun berikut language features-nya. Jadi kita harus, setiap kali kita menulis recount, harus memperhatikan ini, using past verb seperti simple past, past continuous, past perfect, using adverbs of time seperti yesterday, last week, 2 years ago, and etc. Structure ini juga penting. Jadi kita harus memperhatikan juga ya, Pertama di sana ada orientasi, itu 5W plus 1H. When, who, where, and what, and how. Nah, di situ ada event. Eventnya apa? Nah, di sana kita tahu apa sih isi dari experience-nya, baru reorientation atau penutup. Nah, ini contoh dari recount text tadi. Bisa kita lihat ya di sana semuanya menggunakan kata kerja lampau ya. Oke. Nah, mungkin dari sana tadi sudah paham ya apa itu recount text ya. You have already understood about what is recount text. Here I will give you an example from recount text again, but this is by comic strip. Oke. Kalian nanti saya akan membacakan ini. Ini adalah salah satu contoh dari recount text yang berbentuk comic strip ya. Jadi supaya kalian mudah memahami di sini, makanya bentuknya comic strip. Jadi di akhir nanti saya akan menanyakan pertanyaan seputar cerita yang ada di comic strip ini. Jadi tolong perhatikan ya. Oke. Hi, I am Jenny and I am 20 years old. I really like to go exploring. I'm going to tell you a very interesting story that happened to me before while I was exploring. One day, I saw a boat and I was very curious. I jumped down to the boat and when the boat started to move by itself. And I didn't know where I was going and I began to worry. The boat reached a dead end and it stopped moving. I didn't know what to do. I saw land and I just jumped off the boat and swam there. I walked around and found the woods. I was stranded in the woods for 3 days. Luckily I was rescued and I made it home safe and sound. Okay. I will ask you some question. Okay. First, who was in the picture? Anyone know? Yeah, Jenny. Second, what did Jenny use to go sailing? A ship. That's right. Okay, the third question. What did Jenny find in the middle of the ocean? Yeah, great. An island. Oke. Dari pertanyaan tadi kita dapat 3 kata kunci nih, yaitu Jenny, kapal, dan pulau. After this, please make 3 sentences using past tense with the outline of Jenny, ship, and island. Nah, jadi habis ini tolong masing-masing dari kalian buat minimal 3 kalimat dengan strukturnya past tense menggunakan outline atau kata kuncinya itu Jenny, ship, dan island. Based on your work, I have corrected that all of you know about simple past and so after this I have another comic strip, so I ask you to make sentences on the comic strip with pictures that already exist as an outline. Okay, now please compare your work with your friend and discuss it together. Okay, you need some practice. As your homework, saya minta kalian semua nanti buat satu recount text berdasarkan pengalaman pribadi kalian sendiri atau keluarga kalian. Next meeting, it will be collected in next meeting. So maybe some of you will come forward in front of the class to tell the recount text. So Maybe just until here, I will listen today. I'm sorry for my mistaken. I'm also sorry because I cannot give you explanation this opportunity. I hope all of this will be very beneficial for you all. And as I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.